This is my first motovlog and we are heading towards Igatpuri. I have finalized two destinations to be visited today. So we have reached Daisa Chaknaka. It's highway. So it's time to wear gloves. I know it's already sunrise, so we are not going to see the sunrise, but we may. Yeah. Wow. Yep, it means it's closed. It's open. I don't know. Okay, it's so we are saying goodbye to one of the destinations today. So let's have a final look at it.
Broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still
Let's go, guys. We are leaving from second destination, and let's head to the home. But first, we need to take a lunch break. There is a difference in braking on highway, and tarmac, and off-road or rubber like this. So when you're braking on tarmac or highway, you have to focus on front brake first, but not on the roads like this, which have rubber, off-road, and so many potholes. Because if you brake on the first, if you prioritize on front brake, there are high chances that you can skid your vehicle, your bike mostly. Because if your rear wheel skids, you can control it. But if your front wheel skids, it's tough to control.
broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still living? victim of your own mistakes. It's sad to hear the lights under the street lights, under the street lights. I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. Untold stories, they were left behind. Silent breeze, I got nothing on my mind.
काय मोठं झालं का? हा
Matters is insane. Why
चालेल.
still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's
ट्रेलर ना?
under the street lights, under the street lights.
हा ब्रेक नसेल लागला दादा. हा
Of your own mistakes.
हा पुढे कंट्रोल होत नाही मग न्यूट्रलला. There was a trailer which was crashed. Now they are clearing the road, and you can see people are utilizing and spending some time with nature. It's over there. That had crashed, and now they have cleared the path. It will take just few minutes to clear the path. It's a sharp turn. The movement has started. They're about to start, release the vehicles and start the traffic, start the flow of traffic. Let's see. Clouds have started saturating. That means what's the time now? Come on. It's 12:55. So by 3 p.m. it can rain. There's a high chance that it will rain over here. There was a huge team working on it. Finally they loaded it. Thank God. I don't know what has happened to that cargo. I can't imagine. That looks wrecked. I mean, that's how our online parcels are damaged. Oh, this one. Okay. Let's go slowly. We are not in a hurry. This is where we are hunting today, and let's park somewhere. So this person was from a riding group and riding nomads. So shout out to riding nomads who are just curious to see my setup, vlogging setup. So it's good to meet new people in this riding journey because everyone has their own story.
mistakes.
So I think I can take this opportunity to close this vlog, and if I do next vlog, see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, please do hit like, share, subscribe.